Good morning, friends, and happy Wednesday. This morning, we're going to do our find and color rhyming words. So remember, rhyming words are going to sound the same at the end. Now, I'm going to remember the first thing I do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name. And then we're going to look at each box. There's 3 pictures. We're going to find the 2 that rhyme. Ready? Let's say the words together. Cake, rake, leaf. Okay. Cake. Let's throw the rhyme. Ache. Rake. Ready? Ache. And then let's throw leaf. Eef. I think cake and rake rhyme. Let's throw it again. Ready? Cake. Ache. Rake. Ache. I'm throwing ache both times. So I know that I need to color in the picture of the rake and the slice of cake. So I'm going to color in my cake and the rake. Cake, rake. Okay, friends, you're going to do the rest on your own. You're going to say all 3 words and figure out which 2 rhyme. Mrs. Newlands and I will see you soon.